Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. Today we are discussing the example 0 0.5 multiply 0 0.4 divide 0 0.2. So in this example we use the order of operation. So order of operation, first we solve simplify the division according to order of operation. So here first we divide this number. Okay, so here 0.5 is same, multiply 0.4 divide 0.2. So 0.4 0 sorry 0. 0.4 divide 0.2 is equal to 0.4. It means one decimal going left to right and one decimal going to left to right, and option is 04 over 02 and 2 to the 4. So answer is 2. So here answer is 2. So this is 2. When we multiply 0.5 multiply 2, 0.5 multiply 2, we get the 1. We get the 1. So here answer is 1. 1 answer is the right answer. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video. So this multiplication is another topic, how to solve the how to multiply the decimal number. Okay, in further classes we discuss this the also topic.